guests of honor, Sister Phyllis Patton, Sister Rosa Pinto, Sri Ekirya, Sri Abhijit Samajpati, respected Principal Sister Celine, sisters, members of Managing Committee, colleagues, and beloved students. It's a moment of great privilege and honor for me to extend a hearty welcome to all of you today at this memorable event of Auxilium. Before I go any further, to all the toppers, I wish you heartiest congratulations. You have left no stone unturned. Your effort, dedication, and hard work have driven you to the zenith and made us all proud. I wish all the best for your future endeavors. As you all are aware, that we have gathered here to welcome fresher of class 11 to our prestigious school. Established in 2003, our school is recognized by the Central Board of Secondary Education, and it gives me immense pleasure to inform that we have been imparting quality education since inception. The development of a quality educational system largely lies on the committed members of the faculty, quality infrastructure, supportive administration, large pool of learning resources, and last but not the least, hardworking and brilliant students. You will be glad to hear that Auxilium primarily focuses on making our students a good human being and also a successful professional through a strategic teaching of both theoretical and practical aspects during the course of education. Such perfections are beckoned by an inspiring personality who had battled against all odds, stirred enthusiasm into education, blurred the line between education and creativity, and with all effort and dedication to the pinnacle of success. She is none other than the heart and soul of our institution, Sister Celine Liguna. Our principal, fulfilling journey ahead and memorable days in Auxilium Agartala. Thank you.
To call upon Sister Phyllis Patton to address us. Respected Chief Guests, Sri R. Dhawan, Commander, Lieutenant Battalion PSR, Iranian, Guests of Honor, Sister Celine, the Principal of Auxilium Girls School, members of the Managing Committee, special invitees, teaching and non-teaching staff, office staff, supporting staff, transport staff, dear parents, dear toppers, dear freshers. Sister Rosa and myself are very happy to be part of the celebration, as if we came for this purpose. And I stand here not only in my own name, I stand in the name of the Salesian Sisters of the Shillong province. As I look back into the years when we laid the foundation of the school, I see the wonders of God, that He has worked through the instrumentality of dedicated people, past and present. God is the source of every blessing, and I turn to Him to say thank you to Him for the past 5 years, for the present, and for the years ahead. I cannot imagine when in 2000 we laid the foundation of this school, and to see as it is now. I came back after 11 years, and I see the majestic Auxilium Girls School, and within the span of 6 years, under the able leadership of Sister Celine, with the cooperation of the sisters, the members of the managing committee, the teaching staff, non-teaching staff, the supporting staff, the transporting staff, and all of you, my dear parents and students, you make me very, very happy today, and you make me really filled with gratitude to all of you for the support you have given to our sisters. We are here for two purposes. First is to congratulate the toppers. Dear toppers, I don't know what are you feeling now. From Him you have received everything. Be grateful to God. Second, turn your gaze to your parents. They are there to lead you, to support you, to provide you, to make you reach this stage. Be grateful to them. Love them. Obey them. Respect them. And make them proud. Look back with gratitude to the institution from where you have received so much. I saw in the PowerPoint presentation what the management did not do to help you with various opportunities. If you have come out successfully, it is all because of these means that are there at your disposal. And also because you have made it. You have taken the trouble to study, to work hard, to cooperate, and that's why you are today what you are. I wish also for those who are not here, those who have passed, they also have worked hard, they also, I wish, for a bright future. My message for you is from your own book, what I have got from the office. You will have new bridges to cross, new road to travel, new milestone to reach, new ventures to undertake, better choices to make. But remember, there are two forces in the world, the force of good and the force of evil. Make a choice. The choice is yours. We assure you of our prayers, we support you with our prayers, and we wish you all for a very bright future. This is my message for the outgoing students. And today we also welcome the freshers. I came to know from sisters that most of them were from the school. They are from the school. So welcome again to your home. Now you will go to higher secondary. You will be the role model for the small ones, for the young ones. So welcome to the freshers who will take a new step. And we welcome especially the newcomers who will enter into a new environment, but into a family. Family of love. Family where you will live together with the sisters, with the staff, with your friends. So welcome, feel at home, make the best of the opportunity given to you. Collaborate with everyone, beginning from home, with your parents, be obedient. Allow yourself to be guided. Cooperate with the management. Be respectful to the teachers. Be obedient, be sincere, and you will see that you will come out with success, with flying colors, and you will make yourself really an agent of transformation. So I wish the freshers a very warm welcome to the higher secondary school of Auxilium, a family of love where we will live and share our lives together in this campus. Beautiful campus with all the beautiful environment here. To you, dear parents, thank you for choosing Auxilium for your students, for your children. Thank you for the trust you give to these institutions. We will give our best. We have always given our best. The sisters have always given the best. The management have always given the best. The staff have always given them the best. It is challenging to run a big institution like Auxilium nowadays. But with God's help, we are ready to face the challenges of life. But we want your cooperation to work together with us, to be partners in our education. Please collaborate with the school authorities. Work together. Support us with your timely suggestion, with your timely advice, and also with your constructive criticism, because then only we will grow and we will come up. Dear parents, this is my humble request from the part institution. I wish God's blessings on all of you. Dear invitees, dear parents, dear students, please continue to work together, to journey together.